Let me ask you something. What if I told you there's a sound that can seriously harm you, but you can't hear it? No music, no noise, no warning. And the scary part, it actually exists. Hi, this is Khalid Zaman here, and you're watching Brothers English. The sound is called infrasound. Infrasound is a very low frequency sound, so low that human ears can't hear it. But just because you can't hear it doesn't mean your body can feel it. In real life, infrasound is produced by things like strong waves, big machines, storms, volcanoes, and even some large buildings. Here's why it gets creepy. People exposed to strong infrasound have reported feeling anxious for no reason, getting headaches, feeling dizzy, and even seeing things that weren't there. Some people thought their house was haunted, but it wasn't ghost. It was sound. There's real example. In one building, workers kept feeling sick and scared. They said they felt watched. Some even quit their jobs. Later, scientists found that problem. A machine was producing infrasound. Once the machine was fixed, everything stopped. No fear, no strange feeling. Now here's the important part. Normal infrasound around us is usually harmless, but very strong infrasound at high levels can be dangerous. That's why scientists study it carefully, and that's why it's used up in monitoring earthquakes, storms, and even explosions. So the next time you feel uneasy for no clear reason, remember this. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share it. Assalamu alaikum. See you in the next video, inshallah.